you up 35 for improvement.
Mr. Cipollone also testified that the President's Chief of Staff, Mark Meadows...
I can park anywhere I want, lights on.
As early as that November was discussion about possibly conceding specifically, we understand that...
Just go around. You're double parked. Great driving.
I would say that is a statement in itself that I approve.
Just go around.
It was probably around that time.
Never mind that I see plenty of space over here. Good job blocking the bike lane.
Oh, sorry.
You didn't realize that? Yeah, you got a ticket on your window too. Great driving.
God damn it. And then it took us off again, and we just like took back roads around Green Lake and stuff, which was actually very beautiful.
Oh yeah, I love that area.
I've never gone through there before. Are you from here?
I am not. Oh, good job, dude. Use your mirrors, asshole. That's me every day.
On the animation, there's so many things this could be. Ethnicity-wise, it's just really problematic throughout. But it's them animating what they believe to be what Egyptian people would look like in ancient Egypt time, or Bible time, early Bible time.
How about on the next anniversary of Where the Hell episode, we'll talk about good happy stories one day. In the meantime, let's talk about Jesse Lee Peterson. Do you remember who that guy is? Jesse Lee Peterson is the graphic conservative radio host who thinks black people are the worst. He makes Clarence Thomas look like AOC. Just constantly like, who are his staffers on his show? It's like 3 white dudes. Why?
Very good.
Because, they're the only ones that can do anything. That's his whole shit. Yeah, like, he's can't pay for them. Yeah, Peterson, Daily Beast has an article which I have to come out. One of the things they mentioned is basically Peterson's history. He claims that it went into war.
Which means a 10-year-old girl in Ohio and...
Wrong way, dumbass. Wrong way, donkey dick. Turn your lights on. Don't you dare.
You, sir, back in line.
Thank you for waiting. I know that took a while.
No worries, buddy. Thank you.
As soon as I got past that light back there, then it was just go, go, go.
Yeah. How's your night going, man?
Oh, pretty good. It's been busy.
Yeah, dude.
These idiots riding on the sidewalk.
I almost said it to you, buddy.
Ride in the street, not the sidewalk. I do stuff like that.
Oh, no, it's Dane. Man, we saw somebody hit somebody.
Really?
These guys went flying through like a crowd of people, and one guy hit somebody. That's what those people were.
Wow.
Because he was on the sidewalk.
Yep.
Of course.
You are literally not supposed to ride scooters or electric bikes on the
Well, they
sidewalk.
go pretty fast. You could really hurt somebody.
Seriously. Nope, people just don't care.
Yeah.
Can't think more than 6 inches in front of them.
Yeah.
Like a porn star.
He is barely my assholes.
That's horrible. It's like a double-edged sword because you don't want to stay because money, but you also don't want to stay. You know?
I thought it's because she got mad.
That looks really safe.
Oh shit.
Yep. Yep. Called it. Been waiting for that to happen. That looks really safe.
Oh shit.
Yep. Yep. Called it.
That's what executive privilege is meant to protect. For Obama to say, "Oh, hey, you know, they've just
Why
taken
are your flashers on?
terrible idea, but you want the president
How are we supposed to know where you're going?
You know, to my closest advisors, to my
For a song where they're basically singing like, "Yo, God, this was not a fucking deal, man."
Make it real good. Yeah. I also need to point out, like, we could talk this entire review for how bad this music is. Everything in this movie feels like something Sondheim gave up on halfway through the shower.
Yes.
Right? Like, nah, it's bullshit. I'm just gonna.
I had it down as Disney B Alright, so then we
You're welcome
took Moses' mom
for me letting you out.
away, baby Moses, as the Pharaoh is out.
Should have sent off your contact in a bit that said, hey, just so you know, the president's going to give a speech and then he's going to march with us down to the Capitol. Now, does that prove coordination? I don't know.
You need to pull forward more.
But kind of seems like there was a back channel or maybe a front channel from the White House to these groups that organize the rallies. And there is some time spent showing that connection, Ali Alexander.
Somebody please teach this person how to parallel park.
So, yeah.
You can do it! She said, I'm trying.
On page 2 of the introduction, it says, this code applies to U.S. Circuit Court judges, district judges, Court of International
All that
Trade
space
judges,
over
Court of
there.
Federal Claims judges,
All that
bankruptcy
space right
judges, and
there.
magistrate judges. And so the argument, and this is it, right, is because of that, because the code
Why?
doesn't, quote, apply to
Why?
the Supreme Court, Clarence Thomas wasn't sufficiently on notice that he couldn't commit gross violations of the code and fail to. Can't help it, and it really did kick in. But I will say that it depends on the baby because it's just a human fact that, like with all have a baby because it's colicky or whatever. Yep.
Make up your mind.
For a long time, Arlo would be held by.
No, go this way. No, go this way.
Advisory unit. And anything that, they have all these extrapolations of Boston stuff. Meanwhile, within whatever 2 fucking years or whatever, they've gotten it all twice, all over through them, twice.
Go. Holy shit.
Yeah. See the need for your YouTube channel now.
Yep.
Well, maybe not now, but like that was a classic example.
Yep. It's like, oh, you might have made a wrong turn, but there's no possible way you can fix it. So keep moving. You can always take the next exit.
But Arlo, he'll be doing his thing, pay attention to whatever, and then it's so interesting to witness the difference because him, once the hour starts, he goes, but it's very much a temporary thing. He'll feel the pain, and then when the pain goes away, he's like,
Um,
but yeah, and the baby, all
really had to turn, I guess.
Really had to go straight through a left turn only lane, and it was like so smooth that I'm not sure if they knew what they were doing. He's that oblivious, so you just thought you had a green light?
Just another day on North Aurora Avenue.
Oh boy, we got a twerking party. Welcome to Aurora.
That's six.
Sure, let's stop in the crosswalk. Okay. This guy gonna crowd me? Yep.
Alright.
No, let me park. Let me park. That's what I'm trying to do here. Nobody understands the concept of that. Alright, here we go. Trunk is open for you. That's a nice bike you got there.
I know the right doesn't want this to be true for so many reasons, right?
How did you
want it
get
to be
there?
True because what you want to do is you want to demonize abortion. You want to say every woman out there is having a late term abortion.
Thanks for playing.
Very good. You have a stop sign, but sure, go ahead. Doesn't apply to me. You gotta be one car ahead.
Or a general election. You don't do that. That's the part that violates the Hatch Act. Most people think of violating the Hatch Act as, I'm Dr. Gill and I work for the Department of Veterans Affairs and you should vote for, Joe Biden and raise money for him. Yeah, that's
I was very clearly here first.
Blatant violation of the Hatch Act. But doing anything.
They were like, wait, what if they ask me, do I think that there should be a lawful transfer of power in the United States? Yeah, say that to that. What the hell do I care, right? And so they did.
Oh my God, go.
And so I think that is absolutely sort of
Take your time. We are going to...
Silence! I kill you!
This guy needs to turn his lights on. Where are you going? Wrong way. Okay. That's not an excuse to go the wrong way. Good job. I hope you get hit next time.
So the answer to your question is, he could have gone to Twitter and said, hey, why don't I just pay you $1 billion
Brilliant.
to tear this all up? And that would have been perfectly valid. There's one more section. So we went through termination by mutual consent, by either party, by the company, we skipped over because they didn't terminate it. And then here is word for word only grounds under which Elon Musk can terminate the deal. Somehow, like Neo in the Matrix, she's like, I know, and then just wrapped her arms in a pretzel. It's amazing.
Wrong way, idiot. Now you gotta go around those city government vehicles illegally parked in the bike lane, going the wrong way. Crossing paths with somebody going the right way. Oh, nice.
1 hour later.
Look at this FedEx driver. They parked exactly where they're supposed to. The loading zone. This person, Northwest Tank, has been parked in the bike lane for at least an hour. And that scooter just tried to get themselves run over. Ookie.